Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we will learn about conditional formatting in Power BI. To do conditional formatting in Power BI, we have to create a table first. So we will go to a table. We already have this our file in which we have already uploaded in Power BI, which is an Excel file. Then we will go to this table, and when we click table, it will create a format of table. I just increase the size, and then I will put certain categories in the column. First of all, I will take this category. So we have this category here. Then I will take discounts, and after that, I will take your region. Like you can take a region also or whatever. I will take the city also, and after city, I will take the city just and put it below. Okay, I will just put it below. Some should be below city. Then I will take your region, and after this regions I will take the discount profit also. I will take this profit also. So now we have a table. We just need to increase the size. I go to the table, this format your visuals, and increase the size. I will go to column header. I will first of all increase the size of the column header, make it 22, bold. Okay, then I will go to the values and increase the size to also 22, bold. Okay, so now we have a table here with us, and we want to do a conditional formatting tables. Again, we will go to data, add data to your visuals. So here is the data where we have added already category region, and now we want to do some condition formatting. First of all, we will this sum of discount. So we have different sum of discounts. So in discounts, I will go and I will go use some conditional formatting. I go to sum of discount, right click from mouse, a new window will appear, and then I will go to conditional formatting background color. I will take the background color, and here, so we have lighter color for lowest values and darker color for highest values. So more we have given more discount that will have higher values, have more blue color. Then I will press OK. So now I will find some color in my discount. If I will just click here in this button, now we will say more discount, have more color, like 105 discount, and more we go below, the color will become lighter and lighter. So this is the way we have done some discount with the with our data. Again, we will go to sum. Here also we want to put some color. So I just keep it in a as a you can put them in an ascending or descending order. So I will put them in a descending order. So bigger value will be shown in the first place. Now I will do some with this also. I will go to sum of profit, right click, add, again custom format. This time I will take font color, and in font color we can take any color you like. We can even change the color also. If I want a lighter color like this here, and the darker color should be like this, so we can take this way also. And if you even add mid color also, so you can even put the mid color also. Mid values have some different colors here. Then I will press OK. So now our text will have different colors. Now you can see the text colors according to the, these are the mid values, these are the higher values. So higher values will have green color, middle values have some lighter colors. So this is the way we can find our data in our these condition formatting. Beside it, I also used a bar also. For bar, I will take sales. I will put sales here. I drag the sales here, keep the sales and drag it here. So now we have a sales data also here, and we want to do some bars with the sales. So for that, I go to the sum. I just increase the size also. So now we have a sum of sales, and we want to do some formatting with sales, and that will be with bar. So then I will go to condition formatting, data bars, and if you want to put some bars according to the lowest to highest values, So it will be a positive bar will have darker color, and lower values will have lighter. And then I will press OK. Show only bar, that is also possible, but we want to show also values also. So then I press OK. So now we will see a bar also here. If I will just click here, now we can see a bar here. So more will like larger values have bigger bar, and as we go down, the bar will reduce. So this way we can use conditional formatting. And if you want to remove any conditional formatting, so I will go here, right click, and then remove conditional formatting. And if I want to remove the background color, I just click over this, and your conditional formatting will be removed. So you will see, so after some time in the discount column it will be removed. So not yet removed, we have to check. Now it's removed. Like if you want to remove from the sum of profit also, I go to sum of profit, right click, and remove conditional formatting and font color. So we just click on this, and our font color will be removed. So it is taking some time, but after some time it will remove. This is the way we can remove conditional formatting and even use conditional formatting. So that's all from this video. Thank you very much.